Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to install OneDrive on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, simply click on your Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on search right here. Let's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on search apps and games. Click on that. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply type in OneDrive. Then click on search and you are here. Next thing you need to do is simply click on Microsoft OneDrive. So it takes you right here. So as at the time of making this video, 1 billion plus have successfully downloaded and installed this app. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on install right here. After successful download and install, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open right here. So allow OneDrive to access photos and video on your device. Allow limited access. Allow all. Don't allow. Simply click on allow all. Then right here, allow OneDrive to send you notification. Click on allow. Then at this point here, you will need to log in with your account. If you don't have Microsoft account before, you can create a new account. But if you have a Microsoft account, simply log in with your Microsoft account. So the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on sign in right here. Because I have Microsoft account, I will simply click on here, then enter my Microsoft username. So I'm going to simply enter my Outlook account right here. Then I'm going to simply, having entered my username, I'm going to simply click on here to proceed to log into the account. So I have successfully download, install, and log in into my OneDrive account. So at this point here, we can simply turn on our camera backup. Done. So right here, we can do a lot of things with this Microsoft OneDrive. So from the point right here, from the plus sign right here, this allows us to, so if you click on the plus sign right here, this allows you to scan PDF. You can also create a folder. You can upload file, whether photo or video. You can also scroll down right here, and then right here, you can take a photo. You can create Word document, PowerPoint presentation, and Microsoft Excel with this OneDrive. Then down below right here, you have all your file right here. Then next to it here, this is where you have everyone that you share your file with. And the next to it here is your photos that you back up. And the last section here is your personal profile in OneDrive. So if I click on my personal profile in OneDrive, you see the number of storage you have and your user ID in OneDrive. So right now I have about 5 gigabytes storage in this particular OneDrive. Then right here, you can use your file available offline. If you turn on this particular section here, it allows you to have access to your file offline. Then last button right here is where you want to sign out from your OneDrive. It's as simple as that. So right here, you can start uploading file, creating MS Word document, creating Excel, creating PowerPoint presentation, do different stuff with Microsoft OneDrive. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.